we're going to make some chocolate tiffin today, but first I'd just like to say a big thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel so far. It means an awful lot to me, and it shows that you're enjoying what I do, and it also helps my channel to carry on growing, which in turn means that I can carry on doing what I enjoy doing. So thank you so much for that, and if you haven't already subscribed, just hit that button down below. And yeah, so thank you very much, and let's get on with this recipe. We're going to make chocolate tiffin. So what we are going to need overall is we're going to need some biscuits. You can use any type of biscuits you like. You can use rich tea. I'm using digestives because that's what I have. You're going to need some chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. You can do half milk, half dark chocolate if you wish. We're also going to be needing some raisins, some butter, some caster sugar, golden syrup, and some cocoa powder. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break up our biscuits and put them in a bowl along with the raisins, so they're ready for us in a moment. So let's just move some things out of the way so I can get my bowl in. Now I'm just going to roughly break. I'm going to roughly break these up because you want all sizes. You want big chunky bits, small bits. And now we'll add our raisins to that. Now this we can just put to one side until we get our liquid mixture all ready. So what we'll be needing, we're needing our saucepan, and in our saucepan we need to add our butter, our caster sugar, our cocoa powder, and I shall get that last bit out first, and our golden syrup. Like so. Now we need to do is go and take this over to the stove, and we need to melt it all down. Just want to get that last bit out. Golden syrup isn't the easiest thing to transfer. There we go. Right, let's go and take this over to the stove and melt it down then. And you want to keep mixing this so not to burn anything. And there we have it. So now we're going to take it over to the side and pour it over to our chocolate mix. Our chocolate mixture, sorry, over the broken up biscuits. Alright, let's pour this over. I'm going to use a less noisy object. There we go. I just need to mix this up. And it's all coated. Now I need to put it into our prepared tray. Which I've already lined here. Pour this into here. Make sure I get it all out. Now I need to just push it into the base. Make sure we get it into the corners. The chocolate will thicken up and fill in all the gaps. Just move it out. Like so. Now we need to do is melt some chocolate, which we're going to do in the microwave. But first we need to break it all up. So that's about right. That's good enough. So we'll put that to one side for a moment and get our chocolate broken up into our microwaveable bowl. Like so. Now we need to just put this into the microwave and put it on for 20 seconds, give it a stir, put it in again for another 20 seconds, give it a stir, and keep doing that till it's completely all melted. So I'll be back with the melted chocolate in a moment. Now we have it all nice and melted. So now we need to pour this over the top of our base. And then we just need to spread it out. Right, now let's spread it evenly as we can over the base. Looks good already, doesn't it? Wish you could smell this, as it smells amazing. Get it all evenly coated. And there we go. I'm just going to scrape that last bit off the top of there. I'm not wasting any. There we go. Now I need to put this into the fridge. Leave it at least 2 hours. Or if you can, leave it for longer if you can resist it. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's all set. I'll be back later. And here I've got it out of the fridge. I left it about 4 hours roughly, so it looks good. Let's take it out the tray and we'll get it cut up. Let's move that out the way. And there we have it. Right, let's give it a try. You can see all the biscuits in there, and the raisins, and the darkness of the chocolate underneath from the cocoa. See what it's like. That is really nice. That is, you get the nice crunch from the biscuits, the softness of the raisins, the softness also from the mixture of the chocolatey goodness, as I'd say, and that milk chocolate on top, which is absolutely wonderful. Obviously, if you like chocolate, I'd highly recommend you give this a go. It doesn't need much ingredients, it's easy to make. You've just got to try and not eat it till it's set. That's the difficult bit. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you give this a try. Let me know if you do, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.